In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete emails in Gmail to free up space on Google Drive. If your Google storage is getting full, Gmail can often be one of the hidden reasons. Simply moving emails out of your inbox is not enough because deleted emails still sit in the trash for a period of time. To actually free up storage, you need to remove them permanently. I'll walk you through that process clearly, so you can do it with confidence. Start by opening your Gmail inbox. Once you're there, look through your messages and select the emails you want to remove. You can do this by checking the boxes next to the emails in your inbox. Take a moment here to make sure you're only selecting messages you no longer need, since the goal is to permanently clear them out later. After you've selected the emails, click the bin icon. This sends those messages out of your inbox and into Gmail's trash. At this stage, they are deleted from the inbox, but they are not gone forever yet, so they may still continue to take up space until you remove them completely. Next, look to the left-hand menu in Gmail and click on More. This expands the full list of folders and options in your account. From there, click on Trash. This is where Gmail stores emails that have been deleted but not yet permanently erased. Once you're inside the trash folder, go to the top left corner and click the bulk selector. This highlights the emails so you can manage them more quickly, which is especially helpful if you want to clear a large number of messages at once. With the emails highlighted, right-click on the selected messages to open the context menu. In that menu, choose Delete Forever. This is the final step that permanently removes those emails from your Gmail account instead of leaving them in trash. Keep in mind that once you use Delete Forever, those emails can't be easily recovered, so it's worth double-checking before you confirm the action. If you're trying to free up as much space as possible, repeating this process for large or unnecessary emails can make a noticeable difference over time. And that's it. Once the emails are permanently deleted from trash, you've completed the process of clearing them out properly. This is one of the simplest ways to reduce Gmail storage usage and help free up space across your Google account.